As a government, we are prepared to transition our grade 9s to grade 10 using the 3 pathways, that is STEM, social sciences, arts and sports, creative arts and sports. And to let you know that the students, the learners are already choosing their pathways and choosing the schools, and just to assure parents and Kenyans in general that the government is prepared to ensure that that transition is smooth and it's 100% transition like we've done before. So we've transitioned them from grade 8 to grade 9, which was much more difficult because we didn't have the infrastructure. Remember, we had to do 23,000 classrooms to ensure that grade 9 is properly settled. But transitioning to grade 10, there are no infrastructure challenges because remember last year there was no Form 1s, and the senior schools had already prepared the infrastructure for that space, and they are going to do only 3 years in senior schools. That is grade 10, 11 and 12. So we are prepared for that transition, and the students have opened this week, and as I said earlier, last week we are going to ensure that capitation is in this week, and in fact it was released yesterday by Treasury. We expect it today in the ministry, and by end of week it should be in the school account, so that the learners and the head teachers do not have any challenge, because it's a short term. So we are now moving to ensuring that the textbooks for grade 10 are being prepared and will be in schools by December, so that the transition is smooth. You are also aware that we are doing 1,600 laboratories, which will start next month, and by December they'll be fully done and properly the instruments will be in place.